rub up this beautiful chicken. That is beautiful and nice. So what I'm gonna do is lay it out onto the tray. It's amazing. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. So, yeah, enjoy it and bake this for 45 minutes in the oven. As you can see, lovely recipe, guys. Now I'm gonna cook this for 45 minutes. Gas mark 6 or 7 if you're using electric. 165 to 175. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So I just take the chicken from the oven. I did spin them on earlier, but I didn't show you guys. But that's it right there, and they're looking lovely and nice. Look at that, beautiful. See that? And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Fantastic. So just enjoy it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments. Yeah, really nice. Yep, that's the gravy. Let's make it one gravy. That is just amazing. Lovely and nice. Lovely, nice. So that's the classic basmati rice. That's the lovely baked chicken right there. That is amazing. Lovely one. Wow. Really nice and lovely and simple dish, as you can see for yourself. Alright guys, yeah. Look at that, beautiful and nice. simple and really nice. Beautiful. So yes, enjoy it and subscribe. All right, thank you for watching. That's the beautiful rice with vegetables and chicken. See you next time. Bye bye.